Something that's of interest happens to be a window of time when taking the antibiotics. And I bring this up because I think it's an important tool to use, so it basically prevents wasted time and effort when administering antibiotics because you might have to cycle through a number of different antibiotics. So most of the researchers that I've read will give a window of time of this 7 to 10 days. And they say that basically if you are on the correct antibiotic, then you would start to begin to see some type of reaction within that period of time. It doesn't mean necessarily that 7 to 10 days is the necessary dose, because sometimes people need to be on longer term antibiotics, and I suppose that would depend upon what type of organism. Certainly, some organisms are much easier to resolve, something like a gram-positive, say streptococcus or some strain of streptococcus. Typically, those can be knocked out with a wide range of antibiotics. And since they're gram-positive versus gram-negative, or other versions of bacteria, typically they can get knocked out fairly quick. It depends too whether, since we're talking a lot about biofilms and other resistance strategies, it may not be enough. I may need to use other structures along with it. But that seems to be a very important thing. If you don't see any kind of reaction with that period of time, then likely what it means is you're on the wrong antibiotic.